Easy. Spilling it.
Another C8 just pulled in. Coffee, donuts, and lots of cars. What more can you ask for? Let's get a closer look at this custom C1 LS swap. Very nice. Still got some leftover pastries. Let's grab another one and enjoy. Some of the cars are taking off already. Looks like it's Team Red versus Team White. night show is over. A lot of fun meeting people, checking out great cars. Time to go home. See you guys.
See you, Calvin.
See ya. That was fun. Special thanks once again to the City of San Dimas for hosting this event. It's so great to see a city be so supportive of car culture. Yeah, tonight I'm actually taking the car to take my wife out to our wedding anniversary dinner, so really looking forward to that. Doing something with a car that's not car related for once. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, rest up a little bit, and then enjoy a nice dinner tonight. See you guys next time.